Hey there, welcome to our video where we're going to dive into an interesting problem that can pop up when working on network programming. The problem revolves around the confusion surrounding serializing floats, particularly in the context of cross-platform compatibility. We'll explore the need for serializing floats, the potential issues with existing solutions, and a few tips for handling this challenge. So, let's jump right in and tackle this problem head-on. In the solution provided, it's clear that serializing floats is indeed necessary for cross-platform network code. The variations in floating point encoding across different systems can create compatibility issues if not handled properly. The PAC 754 and unpack 754 functions, while imperfect, offer a glimpse into how floats can be serialized in IEEE 754 format. However, it's important to note that these functions may not be the most efficient or robust solution due to their shortcomings. It's crucial to understand that the pack and unpack functions can work even if the host machine's long double format is not IEEE. However, the PAC 754 function has several shortcomings, such as information loss for positive and negative zero values, potential overflow issues, and inefficiencies in handling certain float values. As a result, relying solely on these functions for cross-platform float serialization may not be the most optimal approach in real-world scenarios. In summary, while the provided pack and unpack functions offer insight into serializing floats, they may not be the best choice for practical cross-platform network code. It's essential to weigh the trade-offs between faithful conversions and packet size when designing float serialization strategies. Remember, when it comes to handling floats in network programming, prioritizing accuracy and robustness is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. We always love hearing from you.